Hello, my name is Albaenilar Almario, and today I want to share with you the song My Way in the style of Frank Sinatra. Song by me. And this is. And now the end is here, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll sail it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I lived a life that's full, I traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so he thought, without exceptions. I planned each charter course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and sped it up. I faced it all. I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in shame way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is man? What has he got? Well, then he has not to say the thing he truly feels, and not the words of one who knew. The record shows I took the walls and did it my way. Yes, was my way. Thank you very much.